In this video, we'll be looking at the top Greenworks pressure washers and which pressure washer you should be buying. Check out gearwave.com and the links in the description box for all the products in this video. Let's start off with the 1500 pressure per square inch electric pressure washer. With 1500 psi, this is a portable, small electric pressure washer with both the 25 and 40 degree spray tips. Like the other models in this video, this is a 13 amp model and it has a 35-foot electric cord. Next up, we'll take a look at the 1600 psi electric pressure washer. The upgrade comes with an extra 100 pounds of pressure, a set of two 5-inch wheels, 20-foot hose, as well as the turbo tip easy connector. This will provide a bit more range as well as variety throughout the projects. Up next, we'll take a look at the 1700 psi electric pressure washer. And like the other washers, it does have the 20-foot long hose and easy connect nozzles, as well as the 5-inch wheels. The bonus here with the 1700 is going to be the holsters with the soap connect, as well as the gun and the cord retainer, as well as a rotating hose wheel. Next, we'll take a look at the 1950 psi vertical pressure washer. This model is very similar to the 1700, however it does come with an extra 0 degree quick connect nozzle, as well as the soap and turbo connector. The 1950 psi vertical pressure washer also comes with the rotating hose wheel, as well as the 20-foot long hose and the 35-foot long cord. Finally, we'll take a look at the 1950 psi electric pressure washer. This model is very similar to the 1950 psi vertical with a 20-foot long hose and a 35-foot long cord, as well as the 5-inch wheels. Both 1950 models also come with the extra quick connect hoses, including the 0 degree as well as the soap connector. Now